sure you're wondering, कल ही तो वीडियो अपलोड किया था. How are you back again today? So there's this sale going on H&M and वो आज और कल like on 22nd and 23rd the sale is there. And a couple of you actually sent me DMs on Instagram asking me to show you my wish list या फिर recommend you some items. So I thought I can do that on Instagram as well, but since most of you are on YouTube and you're not following your Instagram, so I wanted to share this on a video format so that it can reach to a lot more audience, because as I said before, most of you are not following me on Instagram. Why guys? Like follow me on Instagram. Next time से कुछ फटाफट से सेल होगा तो I can even give you recommendations there in stories या फिर reel में. My wish list currently has 50 freaking items. Obviously I won't show you like everything because ये वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, बट उसमें से जो 10-20 मेरे सबसे फेवरेट होंगे जो मुझे बहुत पसंद है and that I think everyone needs या फिर you can buy. I'll show you that. Also this is obviously not just for the sale. अगर आप सेल के बाद भी ये वीडियो देख रहे हो, this video will still stay valid because आप still H&M से चीज़ें खरीद सकते हो. Most of these items actually they were on my wish list way before the sale. ये पहले से मेरी wish list में मैंने सेल के टाइम पे बस देखा था कि इनके prices कम हुए या नहीं हुए. So overall I think it's a video that will cater to everyone. Either you're seeing this on sale time or after that, even then you can purchase these, because I think these are all like classic pieces and pieces that everyone will benefit from. So yes, now let's start. Now let me shift to this side so that I can show you the pictures and everything here. Now first let's talk about the satin slip dress. Actually मैंने ना ये अपने birthday के time पे लेने का plan किया था, but then I don't know, I was not in a very good like ऐसे shopping वाले mood में उस time पे, so I decided not to buy anything actually for my birthday. But this is something that I planned to get, and if I had to get, I think I would have bought this dress only. This is a satin slip dress and it is a beautiful piece. I especially love it in cream color. जो उसका cream वाला variant है वो मेरा favorite है. That is not on sale. वो अभी 40.99 का है, which is original price. Although I think कि जो उसका original price है, even that is pretty good because satin dresses ना बहुत expensive होती हैं. And जब मैंने भी इसको खरीदने का सोचा था, that was available on its original price and I was so surprised to see कि 14.99 में इतनी beautiful सी dress मिल रही है. Like just look at this outfit with that blazer on top of it. I can totally recreate this because even I have a beige blazer. So this dress I would highly recommend. And इसकी जो बाकी दोनों variants, the black one which is a classic, a neutral color that everyone needs, वो black dress is just for $7.49 right now and all the sizes are available. Now moving on to the second pair, which is the straight high ankle jeans, and I really like this because I've already tried and tested it. तो मेरे पास ये same jeans sage color में है. मैंने आपको recently एक वीडियो में दिखाया भी था. If you want to see the like my reviews on it, try on everything, check out this video because यहाँ पे मैंने उसको recently दिखाया है. I love this denim and I think it is a very good like a very good jeans, price wise, quality wise and color wise as well. And ये जो दूसरा वाला है ना, ये मेरी wish list में था actually and I've already bought it. So yes, spoiler alert, मैंने ये already आज खरीद लिया है. Another thing that I want to mention here is that I am not sure कि जब तक ये वीडियो जाएगी इसमें से कौन सा आइटम स्टॉक में रहेंगे, कौन से नहीं रहेंगे. I'll still try to give you links of everything. Now moving on to the next pair of pants. It's this lilac white satin trousers. Now when I saw this, I don't know, it just caught my eye immediately. First of all because of the color. I love this lilac lavender color. Secondly, it's satin trousers. I've never owned any satin trousers. मैंने कभी पहने नहीं है, पर इसको देख के मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि it would be so comfortable. मतलब satin trousers, they'll feel so good against your thighs, your legs, and इतने अच्छे से लगेंगे. I think they can be easily dressed up or dressed down. So इसका अभी प्राइस है 14.99 but the member price is only 9.99. That is such a good deal. Moving on to a sweatshirt. I know you will be saying sweatshirt this is summers right now, but अगर कुछ सस्ता मिल रहा है ना, खरीद लो, stock it up, and especially if it is this cute. So this is a light yellow sweatshirt and the best thing is it is available only for $7.49. I mean that is such a good deal for a pair of sweatshirt. Now it's a drawstring sweatshirt and it's available on all the sizes. Moving on, there is another satin item and अभी 5 में से 3 चीजें satin items दिख रही हैं, so you can understand how much I love like satin वाली चीजें. So next one is a skirt and I am a big fan of midi skirt. This is a slit skirt, like this is a slit on the side and a skirt or a dress which is of the midi length और उसमें slit हो. मैच मेड इन हेवन. मुझे लगता है क्रीम कलर बहुत लक्स लगता है इन सेटिन मटेरियल, So मुझे इसका क्रीम वाला बेस्ट लगा, but then they have black, they have got this light purple, even light purple is pretty good, and a beige color as well. Beige भी अच्छा है, मतलब beige is such a classic, you can style it with every freaking top, and the same goes for cream. So the cream one right now is for $9.99 and originally it's for $19.99, so it's a great deal. Now next is this tie top blouse in orange color, and it is available in white, black, and yes, I think this is a very cute blouse, especially in the orange one of the flowers. As if you like this floral print and if you like wearing colorful clothing, I think ये बहुत अच्छा है. But the white one I think is a neutral that would go with everything. Now moving on, there are a couple of strappy tops that I really liked. It's the same top in two different colors. It's first of all there in beige and secondly in black. Beige one is right now available only for $4.99. I think that is a good deal, and it is a strappy crop top. Now I think this can be worn as it is, like with mom jeans, flat jeans, with midi skirts, and then you can pair this with sarees, like if you like wearing sarees quite often. इस type के जो tops होते हैं ये बहुत easily blouse में convert हो जाता है. So there is this item which is on my wish list since I think ages, like months, since months मेरी wish list में है, and every time I think of buying it मुझे लगता है कि I don't know whether it will look good on me, whether it will see. Let me try to explain it like this. First of all, see the picture है. This is a ribbed trousers, and जो ribbed material होता है ना, अगर वो trousers वगैरह में thin होता है तो it normally sticks to your legs quite a lot, and I have big thighs, तो मुझे ना उसमें थोड़ा uncomfortable लग जाता है. It gives you camel toe या फिर उसमें panty lines वगैरह दिखता है. So I'm not saying it for this particular piece, but in general मेरे दिमाग में there is this notion because of which I'm not able to buy this. Now if any of you have used it, if you have seen it, can you please tell me in the comments whether I'm right or not about it, because I really want to get it. I can imagine so many outfits with this, and I'm pretty sure ये बहुत soft और comfortable होता होगा. It's just I'm like worried about how it look, how it will fit me basically. Not even look, how it will fit me and whether it will fit me properly or not. So this is like another item which I would say कि बहुत amazing है, and you can get it. ये cream color में भी available है, and I think this can be easily dressed up or dressed down. Sneakers के साथ पहन लो, heels के साथ पहन लो. Now next is this t-shirt. Okay, this is a very basic item. It's just a t-shirt in grayish color. क्या किसी और ने H&M से पहले grayish color सुना था? Because I did not. I know a lot of different colors which normally people around me don't know, and they get like ऐसे कि तुझे कैसे पता ये कोई color है? But grayish तो मैंने भी सुना था यार, and I later realized it's gray plus beige, so it's like a mix of both, and this is something that I learned from H&M only कि grayish भी कोई color होता है. So there's this grayish t-shirt, and it is only available for $3.99. Now I can personally attest that H&M का t-shirts are, it's top notch. This t-shirt that I'm wearing today again is from H&M. ये बहुत ज़्यादा cute है. And now moving on to the same color family, there's this jacket, this blazer actually, and ये अभी $14.99 का है बस. Also, I noticed that H&M में इस टाइम पे blazers पे बहुत अच्छी सेल है. Also, I think a beige blazer is a closet essential for sure. I recently bought a blazer and I have been obsessed. I have been converted to a blazer person. Now moving on, there is this imitation leather trouser. I have been contemplating buying leather trousers since the winter of last year. I think last year October से मैं सोच रही हूँ. मैंने Zara, H&M दोनों में इतने सारे leather trousers देख लिए हैं. I put them on my cart, फिर मैं हटा देती हूँ. But there is this one which is currently on sale, and it is only for $13.99. That is amazing. Originally it's for $2,300, and it has all the sizes. You can see here. मेरा size भी है वैसे इसमें. Should I get it? Now moving on. This is again another piece जो कि मुझे बहुत ही पसंद आया. And if any of you are like a working professional out there, if you wear pants to your colleges, offices, please on my behalf get it, wear it and send me your pictures क्योंकि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. It's this light purple crease leg trousers. Now I'm restricting myself from buying it because I know for a fact कि मैं इसको नहीं पहनूंगी, and I don't even need it like most of the time for my profession. I actually have a lot of pants जो कि मैंने कॉलेज में अपने इंटरव्यू वगैरह के टाइम पे बनवाए थे, and they still are of such good like pattern and everything, but मैं उनको भी नहीं पहनती, and if I buy this, my mom is gonna kick me out of this house. Also, I think I should mention that the same pant is available in a lot of colors, and इसमें से एक ये वाला है, like the beige one is for 12.99, बाकी सारे 19.99 के. But I think even if you're not getting it on sale and if you want to buy it for your work, for your professional life, I think you should totally go for it. Now let's move on to the next piece, which is this oversized white shirt. Again, this is just for $7.99. I already have an oversized white shirt, so I'm not going for this. But if any of you are looking for it, again, if you're a working professional, especially then, or colleges is sab ke liye, then I think this is a very good deal right now because it's just available for $7.49. Now moving on, I've got a few more pieces. Okay, there's this cropped t-shirt, and ये अभी है for $4.99. Just for $4.99. I think like add कर लेते हैं. So card में this is a cute piece. And now next there's another sleeveless top. This is available only for $3.99, and I think this color, this looks really cool. मतलब इससे से बहुत street style vibe आ रही है मुझे, और बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा मे बी wearing this with flared pants, लंबे से like जो full length वाले flared pants चले आजकल, baggy jeans, उसके अंदर tuck in करा, इसके साथ chain jewelry पहनी, like chain necklace या chain bracelet, something like that, bucket hat. I am just imagining that look, and मुझे already इतना अच्छा लग रहा है उसको imagine करते हुए. So if any of you out there have this street style kind of vibe, if you like wearing bucket hats and basically all these 90s trends, I think this is a really good piece. So next is this skirt. Now this is not on sale, but if you're still looking for skirts, I think ये lavender और white skirt है ना जो दोनों, I want this, like especially the white one. Now as I told you, I'm not a short skirt person, but I don't know, जब से मैंने ये skirt देखी है ना, मुझे बहुत मन कर गया इसको खरीदने का. Oh my god, I have shown you so many items. I'm not even sure if you're interested in seeing more, but I still have like 4 things that I really like. ठीक है, जल्दी बताती हूँ. Next one is this cotton jersey pajamas, and these pajamas are out of stock. Like मैं इनको पता है पिछले 1 महीने से देख रही हूँ, and every time I open my wish list ये हमेशा out of stock होता है. I don't know ये कब stock में आता है, कौन इसको खरीदता है, किसको ये मिल रहा है, बट मुझे तो नहीं मिल रहा है. I really want them because of the color, the print, यहाँ पे lemon लिखा है, and shorts कितने cute है, shorts पूरे lemon बने हुए हैं. So this is something that I really want to buy, but I can't because it's out of stock. Next there is this strappy top. Now these days, like this summers, I have been loving wearing strappy top. Anything pastel, I love it. Like I am sold there. And iska side strap is also like of the perfect thickness. And lastly, the dolphin at the front, like it's such a cute top. Next is a ribbed dress, and ये बहुत inexpensive है. This is just for $7.99. Although it's a basic, I mean I'm pretty sure इसमें कुछ है नहीं. It's just a basic dress. It's bodycon. पीछे तो उसका काफी deep neck. It's available in a lot of other neutral colors as well. Again, this is not on sale or anything, but ये बहुत cute है. It's just for $7.99. It's pretty inexpensive. And now finally, the last item, which is actually the one item on my wish list which I terribly want to buy, but I cannot because मैं जितने बार H&M का अपना wish list खोलती हूँ, this is always out of stock, especially मेरे size में मुझे तो ये मिल ही नहीं रहा है. So it's these light blue loose high jeans. Now I've been looking for such loose jeans for a while now. If you remember, मैंने off duty से भी flat jeans मंगाई थी, Urban से भी मंगाई थी, but they are not loose baggy fit का, वो ना बस flat है, बट वो काफी फिटेड से. आई वांट समथिंग इन द लूज बैगी फिट, बिल्कुल जो स्ट्रीट स्टाइल लुक्स में बहुत बढ़िया लगती है. एंड मुझे ये H&M में दिखा. आई सॉ फ्यू इन Zara, बट Zara की जीन्स बहुत एक्सपेंसिव है. आई डोंट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट सो मच इन अ जीन्स राइट नाउ, इवन दो दिस इज ऑल्सो एक्सपेंसिव, बट ये Zara से चीपर है, एंड मुझे इसका लुक बहुत पसंद आया. एंड यस दैट्स इट. नाउ आई एम प्रीटी श्योर कि मैं थर्सडे को वीडियो अपलोड नहीं करूंगी, एंड आई विल सी यू ऑन मंडे डायरेक्टली. बट लेट्स सी, अगर मुझे ऐसे ही कुछ और इम्प्रॉम्प्टू सा वीडियो आइडिया आ गया, आई माइट पुट इट up. I'll obviously keep you updated on Instagram, so make sure you're following me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, but I'm like pretty like 90% sure कि मैं अब Monday को ही next video upload करूँगी. I'll quickly go edit this video, and I hope you get to see it by tonight. Please subscribe करो, comments करो, like करो, and just that's it. Bye guys, happy shopping. I know I already said bye, but I'm pretty sure I'll get so many questions on this. So I want to address this also, which is my H&M sizes. Every time I post a video on H&M, I get so many questions about it. I've already answered it so many times, but I still thought कि मैं अभी भी आपको बता देती हूँ. So for all my top wears, I usually go for L, unless जो मैं पीस ले रही हूँ वो बहुत boxy है, बहुत oversized है. I might undersize or maybe go a size up, but in a generic sense, I will say that I go for L in all my top wears, and I go for 42 in almost all my bottom wears. Again, exceptions होते हैं यहाँ and वहाँ, but in a generic sense, I wanted to tell you that. And now I'll go. Bye.